Hi everyone, let's do Leetcode 226 invert binary tree. So we're given a root of a binary tree and we want to invert it and return the root. So let's see what actually inverting means. Let's look at this example given by Leetcode. So this is the inverted tree over here. As we can see, for each subtree of each root node, the children have been swapped. So what I mean by that is the root node in this case is 4. We can see that the children have been swapped, so left is now 7 and right children is now 2. And then for each subtree, their children have been swapped as well. So let's consider the original right child, which is now the left child. 9 is now on the left and 6 is on the right. And same for the original left subtree. It has its children swapped as well. So 3 is now on the left and 1 is the right children. So this is pretty simple. It's a standard question asked in a lot of interviews and it can be solved using recursion. We are going to use depth first search. Time complexity is big O of n, where n is the number of nodes of the tree. Okay, let's try some code now. The first thing we need is a base case for our recursive method, which is going to be if root is null, return null. Next thing we need to do is actually swap the children nodes. So we're going to have a temporary variable where we're going to store one of the children. Then we're going to swap. The left is now going to become the right child and the right child is going to become the left one, which we have saved in the temporary variable. At the end, we invoke the recursive method. We call it on the left child and we call it on the right child. After all of this, we are going to simply return the root. So let's see if this works. As you can see, it works. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you.